Now, often when we talk about our design documents, there can be some confusion with what the written narrative is versus the evaluation. Let's take 2 minutes to talk about both. So your written narrative, it has to be completed prior to the design, and it describes all the functions and intent behind why we're having this fire alarm system. Also, it's there to define the protection goals and scope of the project. Simply put, why? Why do we have this fire alarm system? Why are we doing it? Now, the purpose, again, identify the overall design basis and scope. Most of the time, the purpose behind the fire alarm system is its code compliance. Code compliance or prescriptive design is the most common form of design. What is required for that is going to be a qualified designer and following along with code. Our other option that we don't see performed very often is performance-based design. It's the least common, requires qualified engineer, somebody that has a fire protection engineering degree. We see performance-based as a requirement. A lot of times it's specification, but usually it's used when code is not adequate. It's not going to be enough. We need something more than code. Additionally, we'll provide a narrative for description of how that system is supposed to function. A lot of times what we use for this narrative is going to be your IO matrix, letting us know if X happens, Y is to follow it, then Z. It describes how the fire alarm system is supposed to function when there is the operation of anything. Now, your evaluation document is not the same thing as the narrative. The evaluation document is part of the design documentation. It is an attestation from the designer. It states the design is code compliant and is going to tell us which codes were utilized, what editions of those codes were utilized for the design of this fire alarm system. This will also be maintained for the life of the system. If you're interested in getting a little bit extra help, check out our website, nationaltrainingcenter.com. Go to the bookstore. We've got the fire alarm field notes. This is a pocket guide to fire alarm system. It's there to help us with better understanding of some of the basic electronic principles, as well as a lot of concepts that are going to be code-based, as well as things that we apply to our day-to-day work. It's wire-bound with laminate pages, ideal for quick reference, or if you're looking for your NICET exam, great study guide. Check it out on the bookstore, nationaltrainingcenter.com. Go to the bookstore.